Woman's intuition. It's a thing. We've heard it our whole life. And then we think, oh, well, that must be for other women because surely it's not happening. If you're second guessing yourself, if you're wondering, like, how come you don't have clarity, if you want more connection with your own self, if you're not trusting yourself, then like something's missing. Because we have a birthright of intuition. It's in our design. It's in our way of being. So we're so busy and so distracted and so annoyed and second guessing and making poor decisions, and years later just backtracking, like, what is going on? There's a call now that we're moving into the age of the divine feminine. And it's time for us to stop fussing. It's time for us to get clear and centered and help out our sisters. So we can all be in this together. So we can look at another woman and say, okay, I've got your back. And know that she's got your back. When we stand in our power and we own who we truly, truly are, now the rest of the world can move away from us so we can create our space and our reality. Today it's just a rough time, and when we're not connected to ourselves, how do we expect to be connected with our beloveds, with our children, with our co-workers, with our vision, our mission for why we're even on this planet individually? Like, do you know your purpose in life? If you're not clear about it, we've got blocks, and we need to just get rid of them. Just check them. Time to go. So I've been trained in internal family systems, which is a subconscious model, and I do it through my metaphysical license, and it's a spiritual approach. It's understanding energy in a vibratory frequency and understanding how events and circumstances and family stories and dramas and traumas have created a confusion within us. So I've worked with a colleague of mine, Alicia Journey, and we've designed this incredible workshop to help sort through and get some space there. So we as a group of women together, and I'll be leading the workshop in person in California, Saturday, the July 13th. And we're going to move through and find out when were the times and places that we did have our intuition. And we're going to connect with that experience. We knew, we could tell, it was easy. But time, events come and they go over and over and lap. And there's two primary times in our life where things like that have happened. So we get to go collectively back into time and space and unburden those things or those belief systems or what we've been told or how we've been programmed. And we're going to reconnect with that intuition, that intelligence, that agent that's in telling us the truth. We're going to be able to reconnect with that and feel that calmness and the empowerment that it naturally gives us. We've been living in a masculine world, and we as women have turned our masculine selves to be in that world. We don't have to do that anymore. That's not working. We're burning ourselves out. We're wrecking our relationships. We're not parenting the way we want to parent. So this is a time for regrouping, clearing, changing boundaries, speaking our truth, and feeling more in charge of our life instead of reaction for all these things flying at us. And when we're in charge, we create space around us, and we command the attention that we need. We command the respect that we deserve. So there's a lot going on in this workshop, and I can't wait to offer it. If you live in California, please come to it. I've made it very, very affordable, and we're going to have a great time. So follow the links, check it out. If you have any questions, messenger me through, give me a message through Messenger. And my attitude is we're in this together. And when sisters can get together and hold space for one another and witness for one another, you just can't beat that. Thank you. Hope to see you soon.